Good afternoon, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I'm in Alameda at Alameda Island, and I have a house coming up this weekend, and the address is number 7 Challen Court, Challen, Challen Court here in Alameda. It's a newer, contemporary 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. The square footage is 2,171 square feet of living space, and it's probably one of the largest lots here in the community at about 4,553 square feet. But it's end of the cul-de-sac. It's a very nice established community here of newer homes. They're all large, and this one in particular is well into this cul-de-sac, so it's very private, and it should be very popular this weekend for the open house. Special note, you've got a 2-car attached garage, and along with it you have a driveway here for 2 more cars, so you have parking for 4 vehicles. There is guest parking throughout the neighborhood. Built in 1998. The exterior is very durable. There's composite shingled roofs, stucco siding. This is really nice rock brick facade. So here's the view from the front porch, and I'll take you inside. The inside is absolutely wonderful. The entry here will greet you with super tall ceilings here with recessed lighting, beautiful staircase, lots of windows. Can't say enough about the natural light here. Even on a cloudy day such as today, you gotta admire the amount of light that comes into this house. But this right here is the formal area. You can also use it as a formal dining area because you have a lamp here. But there's a ton of space here in this house. And then transitioning over here to the second living room, or traditionally call it a family room. And in this room, the expanse is incredible. Transitions right into the kitchen, nice and open. Has a gas fireplace. An area for entertainment, electronics. But recently painted. They have this wonderful vinyl flooring that was installed. Gray tones, white tones. It's extremely neutral, very pleasant, very appealing, and very neutral. Remodeled kitchen. Beautiful countertops, quartz countertops. Nice newer cabinets here, with this beautiful backsplash here. What's nice is you've got this deep stainless steel sink here with views out the windows. There's the view from this end. And also obviously you've got the center island with an overhang for a breakfast bar. So really good function here. Appliances are newer. Gas stove. This is brand new. Built-in microwave. I believe this is new with all the packaging still on it. But Beautiful. Nice and neutral. Comes with the refrigerator. Freezer's down here. And then to note also, you also have a pantry. So really good storage here, lots of cabinets, lots of surface space for cooking. Very functional and a very free-flowing floor plan. The transitions here are just absolutely free-flowing, from the entry to the formal area to the other living room, and then right into the kitchen. And then also downstairs you have a laundry room, good size room, obviously full size units, washer, dryer, storage, and you can close this off obviously. And then also across the way here in this hallway is a guest bathroom. This one's been remodeled. Nice and neutral, the blue cabinets. Here's the commode. House has central heat. No air conditioning. I don't think you need it here in Alameda. It's generally cool. And then this is also the interior access to the two-car garage. So there's good spacing here. A lot of storage with cabinets. Garage door opener. Got more than enough room here for decent workspace on this counter. The water heater's right here. It's double strapped. Doesn't look too old. And then here's the circuit breakers. And labeled. And then out here, here's a special note. Got all this extra room here on the outside for the side yard. So this is unique. You don't really get this in this community, but to have all this extra side yard space here is tremendous. You know, it's a concrete pad here. Excellent for storage, especially if you have sporting equipment such as kayaks or paddle boards or bikes. You can store everything out here on the outside. So really good use just due to the extra space here in this house. I'll take you outside here. So this is the other side of the yard. You have another side yard on this side. Has a gate, easy in and out access. Oh, nice sized backyard for a house like this in a community with a homeowners association. And then here's the other side. Has sprinklers. Downspouts here are managed with a drain system. Just can't beat the space here. So if you got a chance this weekend, please stop by and take a look. It'll be open from 1 to 4 Saturday and Sunday. First open house probably in decades. There's even a storage closet here. Goes into the staircase, super deep. And that'll take you upstairs. gonna admire all the extra windows upstairs here with all the additional light that comes in. So give you an idea of how big this hallway landing area is up here. First room here is the obviously the primary bedroom. Double door entry, raised ceilings. All the bedrooms are carpeted. It's a Berber style carpet here. But just can't say enough about the additional windows here in a bedroom like this. But it's big. Very roomy. And then into the primary bathroom. Tub and shower stall with more windows. And then the commode. Dual vanities. Good size bathroom here, also with a walk-in closet. With built-in shelves. Just a really nice floor plan, and then spills out back out to the landing here, and then into the other bedroom. I believe this bedroom was probably an option that the builder had offered back then to either open it as a den or enclose it, but in this case it was enclosed. And this would be ultimately the secondary bedroom. Built-in shelving. Panel doors. There's the access up into the attic. And then onto the third bedroom. And then into bedroom 4, there's also a linen closet. This bedroom is the larger of all 3 of the secondary bedrooms. Has multiple windows. There's the views outside. Generous sized. And this one also has built-in shelving. Good sized closet. Really nice sized room here. And then this room, I believe, looks over the driveway. And then the hall bathroom, updated. Very clean. Shower doors are spotless. Shower over tub. And an updated toilet. Just a very impressive home to be proud of, to purchase. More than enough room, and especially with an open floor plan like this. This is incredible. Stop on by this weekend if you get a chance. We'll have it open Sunday, actually Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4. My name is Harry Cordiano, Flat Rate Realty. And if you have any questions or if you'd like to make an appointment to see this property, feel free to give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686. And thank you for viewing today.